You waving to Stephen Colbert? Izzy, do you think it's funny when I say things that you say? Dada, dada, dada. How about bursa, 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 bursa? Are those Izzy things? Bursa, 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 bursa. Tippa, 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 tippa. Are those things you say all the time? Izzy, can you say shh? Say shh. There you go. You're so funny. Say bursa, 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 bursa. Can you say that? What about the one animal in the story earlier? Can you say moo? Moo. You're the funniest cow I know. You make funny moo noises. And there she goes. Izzy, moo. You're funny. Izzy, can you say pursa, 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 pursa? You're still working on the moo?